Hello, friends! Welcome to my favorite room. Let's look at my things. Look, this is my train. It is blue like the sky. It is a very noisy train. Choo-choo! And here is my ball. It is red and round. I love to play with it. My favorite food, a carrot. It is orange and very crunchy. Crunch, crunch, yummy. This is my old friend, Teddy Bear. He is brown and so soft. It is cozy to hug him. I have so many favorite things. They are all different. What do you have in your room?